We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking at this flat. We want to see one more drop with the breakout of this low. And this is exactly what we get. Anyway, whoever get the trade, the only way to look for trade either from here or having entry below this. They should take out the trade mostly whoever get the trade from here or move their stop loss to break even. Mostly they should take out the trade if still they keep the trade and now want to see what's the next. As we can see, the price broke the previous low, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, now we want to see whether we can look for buy or not, because when the price was within this correction here, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this low, then any reversal we want to look for trade. Okay, first of all, this this entry is not valid, and we refer to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. But one thing I need to highlight here, we need to be careful for the next level, which is 0.21 cent. Okay, as you can see, the price broke the lowest price of this correction. All right, now we want to see that if there is a continuation, the next level what I'm looking for is 21 cent, but I will prefer to get the reversal without tracking without the price drop to this level. All right, now how we can look for trade? In this case, we move to lower forward chart, and if we move to forward chart, if we refer to the indicators, MACD doesn't show us the divergence, but the another indicator show us. All right, we don't need to really care about that. The only thing is any reversal from here, we take it, and we want to see the breakout of this top, the low highest price of this correction. But based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and right now we want to see whether this one can give us a trade setup to look for buy or not. That's mean if we see the continuation as a sharp move, correction of flag, we will take the trade. But right now we don't have any trade setup, and still we can expect to get the correction for continuation. Any down move from now is a short-term sell, but for me, I'm interested to look for buy. Even when the price was here, we mentioned we want to see one more drop, then we look for reversal. That's mean if we get any trade set up for buy from now, we will take it. It doesn't mean the price have to reverse from here and it is not going to drop some more. It can drop some more, as I mentioned. Even made this one turn to a correction for one more drop. But sell is a short term, and we are not really interested in the sell. We're looking for buy. If we get any trade set up for buy, this is what we're looking for. All right. And right now we're looking at this. We want to see whether this one can give us a trade setup for buy or not. And if we move to 15 minutes, we don't have any trade setup. It's still based on 15 minutes. The only thing is the best thing is we wait for the reversal. Any trade setup, we take it because in terms of the risk and reward by having a stop loss below this, it can give us really good trade setup. By the way, before we look for trade, we have to get the trade setup. All right. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see an update, I will share. That's mean even if I see any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.